What do you think? Are you how do you feel about it closing?
Hurt, lost.
Yeah. Did you see it coming?
No.
No.
Not permanently.
So when you found out that it happened, it was pretty much a shock to you, huh?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Do you think that the bowling alley did right by closing it down, or do you think it could have been saved, or do you think that
I think it could have been.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been busy
Yeah.
trying to get.
It's a numbers thing, probably, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tony, the kitchen guy, was pretty philosophical about the closing. He was like saying, when one door closes, another one opens. The closing of the bowling alley is an opportunity to expand your horizons. So, Michelle, what are you going to miss about the bowling alley here?
I think everybody can say this for sure. It was 10-pin heaven in this bowling alley. Well, it was 10-pin hell for everybody. Nobody liked this house with 10 pins.
I could always remember a bowler by the name of Larry, and he always complained about the sidewalls being not sturdy enough. That was the cause of why there was so many 10 pins. There was not good pin action over here because the sideboards were not good. They were worn out, and they always needed to be replaced. So what did they do instead of replacing the sideboards? They put in synthetics, and that helped a little bit, but still you did not get the kind of action on the 10 pin that you could have had maybe over at Wickliffe Lanes.
Correct. And everything. I bowled here for 10 years with my best friends, and I'm going to miss that on Wednesday night.
Yeah, but you could always find another place to bowl, right?
Absolutely. And in the future, I will still be bowling.
There you go.
Look on what I found on our final cleaning night. Wickliffe Lanes, the one that's down the house, down the street by Normandy Party Center. I found that.
Well, I guess that's going to be a look into the future, because a lot of the bowlers will be going to Wickliffe Lanes or Menor, because this place won't be an option for them. That is kind of funny that you see another bowling alley shirt here.
Their biggest competition.
Walking through these chairs over here, it's kind of hard to believe that I won't be walking through here ever again. You can always sit down with your friends, play a card game, have a beer, talk about topics of the week and everything, sports, how the Cavs, Browns, or Indians were doing. This was the place to meet. I bowled in a league for years on a Wednesday night. It was the perfect way of breaking up the monotony of your work week. And, well, I guess we're going to have to find another place to talk about our troubles. I wanted to do this. Roll a ball on a lane when the lanes are shut off. Okay. Wow, the pin center goes down. Well, I didn't even have... That was a bad shot. Sorry. This is what's left from the lanes 73 to 96. Erased from existence.
Bye.